We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can set pattern lock in Oppo. So in order to enable the pattern screen lock on an Oppo smartphone, you will need to launch settings, enter the security category or password and security, then tap at the lock screen password, choose the pattern type from the list. Then once the continue button or option becomes active, we will tap on it. And now simply set whatever pattern you would like to use. Then confirm it by redrawing the pattern. And well, that will be it. So let's see. The pattern was successfully set already. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.